Alright guys, just picked up my buddy Dylan. What's up, Dylan?
What's up, guys?
Alright, we're headed to the spot that he's gonna show me today. We're gonna get some food on the way there and pick up some cash because it is 10 bucks a person, and we'll get the day started. Y'all stay tuned. So we're just showing up to the spot. It's Leisure Lakes. We're gonna go ahead and pay our dues, and then we're gonna start fishing. Some nice little lakes out here. The still got my frog on. He's got a swim bait, and I still have my fluke on. So he advised me to use the fluke. He's already casting. I'm gonna go with something different, as I always do, and fish my frog to begin with. So we'll fish this frog, and if nothing happens, then we'll switch to the fluke. I'm gonna just cast this a few times, see what happens. Oh man, I got somebody else's line. No! Sweet. Nice bass right here. Three nice bass. Maybe even 4 or 5. They're coming your way. They should be in front of you now. He turned his game face on for a minute. This kid's serious about this fishing. He's on the prowl. Oh man, there's a nice bass right there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Nice bass right here. I had one come out of the trees. See him?
Oh, yeah.
I had one come out of the trees. He was chasing for a minute, and then he turned around, and then that guy swam across right here. Big brim or bluegill right there. If that's dried up or if it's drained. Nice. Dealing with a hookup. Let's see what we got. Decent bass. Maybe a pounder. Ned rig strikes again?
Yep, on a Ned rig.
Heck yeah. Pound and a half. Let's see that Ned rig. Just a weighted head and a Cinco. Nice. Well, we see what they're eating. He's the first one to hook up. Got the monkey off his back. We'll see if I can't get a hook up. I might have to change some things up. Start fishing them a little bit deeper.
What do you got on?
I put on a tequila sunrise worm with one of those weighted heads. Might not be a good idea because look at the weed.
Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with.
A drop shot will work good in here.
Yeah.
Or hook up. Looks like a little dink. I saw him stalking the fish. He's gonna put it on the other side over here. Maybe. Yeah. I saw you stalking that one.
Yeah, there's like 3 or 4 right there.
You lose your bait?
Yeah.
Got these geese right here getting all rowdy. You're good. You are good. Calm down. All right, guys, we left Leisure RV Park, and he caught 2 bass already. I haven't caught any. It was getting hot out there. Wasn't much shade or tree cover, so we went ahead and wrapped it up. But we are here now at Clark Sand Pit, where there's some really big bass. Maybe we'll get one of those to bite, maybe not, but I'm sure he's gonna catch fish. We'll see what happens with me. Y'all stay tuned. There's usually a huge bass that sits right under here. A huge one. Look at those 2, 3, 4 big brim or bluegill. All right, guys, spot number 3. He brought me to one of his spots. He said it's a top water frog spot. It's got some matted grass and a few patches. We got turtles just sunbathing out there on that little whatever that is. But yeah, we'll try this and see what happens. Clark's was they put up a lot more signs saying no trespassing, no fishing, no walking your pets, etc. So we left there before we got kicked out. So we'll see what happens here. Y'all stay tuned. So you just go through the top of all this junk?
Yeah, and they really most of the time.
Wow. Well, I mean, it's good shade cover for him, so.
Yeah.
He got busted already. Holy crap.
I thought he had it, but he didn't. Yeah, kind of pop it like, not aggressive, I wouldn't say, but enough to make like a decent kind of.
A disturbance?
Yeah, so they can see it.
There he is, tailing right there. He got hammered on his first catch. See like 4 turtle heads popping up at one time. He got 8 again. What the?
He had it that time too.
What the heck?
I gotta make sure I'm getting these on video.
His hook set is insane too. He like steps into it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
He gets.
Every time. Make sure you get the full hook set in.
I'm gonna cast in your spot. There was a lot of turtles over there, so I doubt it. All right, guys, I'm gonna fish this poppin' perch. He had that bright frog on. Mine was like natural colors. He's got like 3 blow-ups and 1 miss. Like, he set the hook and it just snapped his line. Try and give it that pop that they want.
Dude, that blow up was sick.
All 3 of them. I love top water, dude. What you got on now?
That sunfish.
Sunfish?
Yeah, the little that I showed you.
The one you didn't want to lose?
Yeah. I tied it on after losing.
A little help from the wind. All right, guys, just dropped Dylan off. We went ahead and wrapped it up because I have to go to work here in a little bit. But man, I gotta tell you, it was still a good time regardless of whether I caught anything or not. I got skunked today. He caught 2 small ones. He did a little bit better than I did, but he still was able to show me a few nice little fishing spots, places I can just show up to and fish. That first place is closer to my house off a 9-mile road, so if I wanted to go and fish that anytime, then you know I could, and you know it'll cost me 10 bucks, but it's not a bad place to just show up and put a line in the water. He said he's caught some decent fish out of every spot that we've fished at today, and I believe every minute of it because his YouTube channel, it shows it, he's got the proof. So if you want to check him out, he's at FINESSEBROS FISHING on YouTube. That's FINESSEBROS FISHING on YouTube. So yeah, go check him out, like and subscribe. His YouTube channel is still in the works, just like mine. So yeah, you can watch his channel grow if you want, and he's going to be doing a lot more fishing. He just got him a kayak recently, and he's going to be doing some saltwater fishing. He's already started that endeavor, him and his dad, and me and him, we just made plans, or talked about making plans on going and doing some saltwater fishing. I haven't put my kayak in saltwater yet, but saltwater is where I started and where my foundation lies, so it's going to be a good time for sure doing that. If you guys like what you saw today, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, whether it be fishing, riding dirt bikes, or whatever adventure I may bring to you guys next. But anyways, keep watching and keep on living the adventure life. Peace. Trying to break my PB today.